Have you ever stumbled upon a deal for your favorite high-end makeup that seemed too good to be true? It probably was. Welcome back to Glowenvy, where we dive deep into beauty, test wild trends, and uncover what's really going on in the makeup world. If you love beauty with a side of investigation, make sure to subscribe. The market for counterfeit makeup is booming, and while scoring a dupe at a fraction of the cost might seem tempting, the risks far outweigh the benefits. What many people don't realize is that these fake cosmetics can harbor a dangerous secret, harmful ingredients and bacteria that can wreak havoc on your skin and overall health. These counterfeit products are often manufactured in unsanitary conditions, lacking the rigorous quality control of reputable brands. This means they can be contaminated with dangerous substances like lead, mercury, arsenic, and even E. coli bacteria. Exposure to these toxins can lead to a range of health problems, from skin irritation and allergies to more serious issues like heavy metal poisoning. The allure of saving money can be strong, but it's crucial to remember that your health is priceless. Investing in authentic makeup from trusted sources is the best way to ensure that you're not putting yourself at risk. In a world of online shopping and seemingly endless deals, it's becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish between authentic and counterfeit makeup. Thankfully, a fascinating trend has emerged to help consumers navigate this tricky terrain, examining makeup under a microscope. Beauty bloggers, dermatologists, and even everyday consumers are turning to microscopes to unveil the hidden truths behind their favorite products. By magnifying makeup products hundreds of times their actual size, we can see a whole new world of detail that's invisible to the naked eye. This allows us to compare the composition of real and fake makeup, revealing stark differences in ingredients, texture, and overall quality. The process is simple, yet incredibly insightful. A small sample of the makeup is placed on a slide and viewed under a microscope. The results can be shocking, exposing the potential dangers lurking within those seemingly harmless compacts and tubes. Let's dive into a microscopic comparison of some popular makeup products to illustrate the stark differences between authentic and counterfeit versions. Fake eyeshadow palettes mimic high-end brands, making it difficult to spot discrepancies. Under the microscope, authentic eyeshadows display fine, even pigment particles. Fake eyeshadows may appear clumpy, uneven, or contain large, irregular particles. The world of makeup is exciting and transformative, but it's crucial to be a savvy consumer. By being aware of the risks associated with counterfeit makeup and learning how to spot the telltale signs, you can protect yourself from potential harm and ensure a safe and enjoyable beauty experience. Here are some tips to help you steer clear of fake makeup. Buy from reputable sources. Purchase your makeup from authorized retailers, department stores, or directly from the brand's website. Inspect the packaging. Check for any misspellings, blurry logos, or inconsistencies in the packaging. Examine the product. Pay attention to the texture, smell, and color of the makeup. If something seems off, it's best to err on the side of caution. Remember, your health and well-being are paramount. By choosing authentic makeup, you're investing in quality products that enhance your natural beauty safely and responsibly. If you love beauty deep dives and crazy experiments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy investigation. See you in the next one.